Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a restore point for your system for your Windows 10 PC. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, just subscribe and click on bell icon so that you can get new videos notification. Let us start now. I will show you how you can create the restore point for your Windows 10 PC, Windows 10 computer. So for that you need to go to the you need to right click on this PC icon, go to the properties, or you can type here in the search menu SYS system, yes, and then open. So the same window will be open, and then you need to click on the system protection, and here you can see the option is system protection. Under this, the drives are showing here, whatever drives available on this computer. So in same way, the drives will be visible here. Whatever drives will be available on your computer, all those drives will be visible here. So the operating system is installed on the C drive, and you can see the product protection for this is on, for this drive is on. So to create the restore point, just you need to click here, create restore point right now for the drive that have system protection turned on. Create and type here like restore point and click to create. So it will take some time. Till now I'll let you know we are creating the restore point because suppose if you installed your computer today, and after few days, after 10 or 15 days, or after few months, your system windows will be crashed, or any file will be, or any software will be uninstalled. So if you restore this your system on the created restore point, then your system will be recovered, or any apps which will be uninstalled, that will be recovered. So here you can see the restore point was created successfully. Just you can close this, and if you want to see if the restore point is created or not, just you need to click here on the click on the system restore, click to the next, and you can see here the option, the restore point is showing here, restore point which we created just. So in this way you can create the restore point, and if required to restore your system, just you need to select this, click to next. I'm not going to restore here, but just you need to select the restore point, click to next, and once you will click to next, system will try to restore, and after restoring it will ask to reboot. Once you will reboot your system will be restored. So in this way you can create the restore point and restore your system. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.